Welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. We're approaching the end of the year, and today we're going to harvest a few carrots. Stay with me. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. I'm outside my mini greenhouse today, and we're going to harvest a few carrots. This is going to be a quick video. I basically should have harvested these on Christmas Eve, but it was snowing. We got about 4 inches. It was freezing cold. Temperature was down to 17 degrees. So I decided to put it off until today. Actually, I wanted to harvest these on New Year's Eve, which is tomorrow, but we're supposed to have more weather coming in. So decided to do it today. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I'm going to do these 3 pots today. This is one of 3. Let's just manhandle it and see what we have here. We have oh, okay. These are a decent size. Here you are. This came out pretty good. Here's number 2. This also came out decent. I wish they were a little longer, but we have carrots and more carrots and more carrots. Okay. Not bad. Not a bad haul. I tell people all the time, you don't have to have a big garden to grow things. You can grow things in bins and containers. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots. Well, 6 carrots from the first bin. I'm going to do container number 2 in a second. Okay, I'm going to do 2 pots today. This is pot number 2. This should be more than enough for our New Year's Day dinner. As a matter of fact, I'm going to probably use a few of these for New Year's Eve for our hors d'oeuvres. Let's see if we did as well on this one as we did on the first one. And here we are. These are a little smaller. But still okay. Okay, carrots, carrots, carrots. Yeah, these will go in the salad. Huh. I didn't know that. So these are apparently a different variety of carrot that I planted. These aren't the jumbo size, but there's a lot of carrots in here. I'm still pulling out carrots from the bottom. Let me start sorting some of these out. Wow. There you go. There's a nice bunch right here. I'm going to throw these over here. Go back in for another group. Yeah, these are, I'm going to put some of these in the soup. I'll put some of these in a salad. And I'm still pulling carrots. Woo! I'm real happy with the way this worked out. I planted these in the fall, so it took me about 3 months. And as I said, we're approaching the end of the year. It was a tough year, but we got through it. Next year will be even better. It's going to have to be better. And that is it, boys and girls. This is our carrot haul for today. So this is it. Obviously, once again, these are the jumbo. These are the large ones, the kind that you'll find mostly in restaurants. And these are the smaller ones that you will have in salads. I have about 5 or 6 containers total, and I kind of lost track on which carrots I had in which. This is the reason why you see the big difference. But I'm very happy with the harvest we have today. These are going to go New Year's Eve in dips and in salads. These are going to go pretty much for everything else. And I'll come back in about another week and get the rest of them. So this is the Frugal Gardener. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. I'm glad to have you. Put your comments and questions below. Thank you for joining. Please have your friends subscribe. And remember what I always say. When you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you later.